ओह माय गुडनेस, दिस पीपल आर सो साइलेंट। अरे बोल तो रे, कहाँ तक किए हैं, कहाँ से शुरू करना है? नहीं तो फिर चैप्टर 9 खत्म बोल देंगे हम। किताब है नहीं साथ में। And why the videos are again off? All of you must have your videos on. I want to see all you are present in the class. Yeah, all of your videos must be on. सब कैमरा ऑन रखो अपना। 15 जन का कैमरा ऑन हुआ अभी तक, 4 सत्यम। Put on your cameras. Yeah. Now say me one thing. अभी कुछ लोगों का कैमरा अभी भी ऑन नहीं हुआ है और दिख नहीं रहा। कैमरा ऑन करो और yeah. Now tell me one thing. How far we had completed in offline? Offline में कहाँ तक हुआ था? याद करके बताओ।
सर HTML खत्म हो गया था।
हाँ, कौन खत्म हो गया था?
HTML।
अरे गधा, HTML का 2 चैप्टर है, ठीक है, चैप्टर 9 और चैप्टर 10। चैप्टर 9 खत्म हो गया था, हमको भी याद है, बट इफ यू वांट अ रिवीजन ऑफ चैप्टर 9 आई कैन स्टिल रिवाइज। या तो फिर पहले खत्म कर लेते हैं चैप्टर 10, फिर रिवाइज करेंगे। तो क्वेश्चन आंसर करना है कि नहीं करना है चैप्टर 9 का?
यस सर।
हाँ, तो क्वेश्चन आंसर कर लेते हैं चैप्टर 9 का, ठीक है। फॉर दैट शेयर स्क्रीन, शेयर स्क्रीन व्हाइट बोर्ड से हो जाएगा क्या? क्या करते हैं? ओके, नाउ स्क्रीन दिख रहा है ना सबको अभी? क्योंकि हमको कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है, सिर्फ मेरा स्क्रीन दिख रहा है। फिल इन द ब्लैंक। थोड़ा पतला है। Question number 1. Using the list element, we can add a bullet. B-U-L-L-E-T, bullet, and अगला ऑप्शन है number. Next, the dash list is used when the list items are not to be displayed in any particular order, unordered. Number 3, to specify the starting point of the numbering scheme, OL tag, dash attribute is used. बताओ कौन attribute यूज किया जाता है? Start. Number 4, a list embedded in another list is called as dash nested. Yeah. Nested. Number 5, dash is linking various web pages together. यह एक किसका माइक्रोफोन है? हाइपरलिंक। That's through hyperlink. यहाँ पे बुक में दिया हुआ है हाइपरलिंकिंग. अच्छा ठीक, हाइपरलिंकिंग. Straight true or false? The default value of OL is a filled circle. What is that? The default value of unordered list. It is a filled circle. That is true. B का 1. B का 2. You can start the ordered list with a specific number. True. Number 3. The INC tag is an empty tag. It is true again. Number 4. The alt attribute allows you to specify text as an attribute of the image. Attribute नहीं, alternate of an image होता है. ये question number 4. It is false. It is an alternate. Number 5. The anchor element uses various attributes such as head, name, and title. No, it has only one attribute, and that is name and href. See? False. Application based question हम लोग नहीं करते हैं, आज भी नहीं करेंगे. Then comes question number D. MCQ. सब कॉपी कर पा रहे हो ना? अरे हेलो.
Sir, I have a doubt.
क्वेश्चन क्यों नहीं कर
one by one.
सर एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चन क्यों नहीं करिएगा?
नहीं करते हैं, कहिए नहीं किए. वो अपने से करो ना भाई. 2 क्वेश्चन तुम लोग अपने से नहीं कर सकते हो. हाँ,
ओके सर.
2 क्वेश्चन अपने से करो, बाकी तो हम सॉल्व करके ही देते हैं. यस, यू हैव द डाउट.
ओके सर.
So, sir, in question number B state true or false. In question number 1, it will be false because in page number 108, it is given by default. Its value is 1 for an ordered list. So its default value is.
Oh, okay. Yes, you are correct. I made a mistake, na? It is ordered list. OL is ordered list. So I made the correction. It is false. Whoever you are, thank you for correcting. Yeah, any other problem here?
No, sir.
Okay then. Then come question number D. Unordered list is also known as bulleted list. Option A. Number 2. The default style of UL tag unordered list is A. Yeah, disk or circle?
Circle.
Circle.
Disk. Sir, disk.
So disk.
Disk. So that is also is option A. Then number 3. The value that cannot be defined with type attribute of UL tag means unordered tag. This can be defined, square can be defined, but rectangle cannot be defined.
सर रेक्टेंगल.
Yeah. Number 4. Which tag is used to insert an image in a web page? Hello. IMG. That is option C. Number 5. A tag that is used to create hyperlink in a web page. Anchor tag. That is A. Option A. Now comes question number 6. Which attribute of the anchor tag is the URL of the linked file, href. That is option A. Oh yeah. All of you have successfully copied the answers.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay then. Then we are moving to differentiate between UL and OL tag. कोई बताएगा या दिखाएगा? कुछ भी बता भी सकते हो, दिखा भी सकते हो. I will allow you to share the screen. नहीं. So differentiate between, ये हो गया C का 1. I think this is CER. Yes, if anybody have a better answer or you can improve the answer, you can always ask. You can always discuss with me if anybody wants. हो गया क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का आंसर.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then question number 2, what are the different types of lists supported by HTML? Explain each one of them briefly. So I think all of you can write this answer yourself. The two types of lists are ordered list and unordered list. Then you have to write 2 sentences or 1 sentence about each of them. Can you do that, all of you yourself?
Yes, sir.
बोलो बोलो. Yes sir. सिर्फ एक जन बोलना.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you repeat it one again what you told? I was not able to hear that.
That means you are not present in the class, my dear.
Sir,
I was
sometimes
saying
it's
that-
network problems.
Yeah, due to network problem, that's very true because once again, all the schools are started operating on online classes and they have different time slots too, as we have. So there is network problem. I accept that. So I ask that question number 2, what are the different types of list supported by HTML. Explain each one of them briefly. Can you do that?
Okay, sir.
Okay. And I'll give this question as homework today, and you have to submit it tomorrow. I'll create a homework and give you this question. Okay. Next is question number 3. How images are added in HTML document? What are the different attributes of an image element? So how image is added? Will anyone try to answer? How image is added? बोलो बोलो कुछ भी बोलो, हम तो बताएंगे ही. Anyone? Try out. Nobody wants to try. Yeah, who's that? नहीं बोलना है किसी को. चलो हम ही बता देते हैं. Now, how image is added? Image is added in an HTML document using the what are the different attributes of image element? Number 1 is SRC, source. Number 2 is ALT, that is alternate. Number 3 is height. And number 4, बोलो, height के बाद width. यही ना था, और कुछ है? SRC, alt, align. Align is there. Number 5, align. Okay. Were all of you capable of copying the answer?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for the feedback that you are copying and you are present in the class. Number 5. This is question number 3. Now comes question number 4. Question number 4. किसी को परेशानी हो तो बताना, हम लोग धीरे करेंगे, आराम से करेंगे, कोई टेंशन नहीं है. How can we link web page in HTML? What are the different types of links? Yes, who's that? How can we link web page?
Sir, you have left question number 4.
छोड़ दिए
listen, हाँ
सर, आप क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 छोड़ दिए, 5 का बता रहे हैं।
सॉरी तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 कर लेते हैं पहले। Question number 4, what is the importance of associating alternate text with an image? Alternate text is important for any reason. I'm going to write the reason for. The reasons are slow internet, or unavailability of the image a specified text can be displayed to fill the space form first. I think it is also given in the book that in a better way. These two reasons may be because of the slow internet connection error and display alternatives with the help of alt text and descriptive about the image. That's correct. Done.
Sir, till space formed.
Yeah, space formed means if the image is not available, then there will be a space left. So in that case, a particular text is displayed. Whatever text you type in the alt attribute of the img tag. Okay, now the question number 5. How can we link web page in HTML? What are the different types of linking? So different types of linking. How can we to link web pages in HTML document? What are the different types of linking?
Sir, internal linking and external linking.
Internal linking and external linking. Yes, we can write that. Types of linking. Types of linking. Number one, internal means whoever, as I am unable to see who said that answer, can you please repeat what do you mean by internal linking and external linking? Nice. Within the same web page, that is internal linking. And number two, question number, khatam. So all the question answers are done. Now, what you have to do? You have to share the question answers in your fair copy and submit it on Saturday. Every Saturday or before Saturday also you can submit it in the office, and we will do the correction and get it back on next Monday. Next Monday. Today is Monday.
Sir,
Monday. Yes.
sir, can you slow once again fill in the blanks? I was not able to write that.
Okay.
I joined late.
Yeah, no problem. Fill in the blank. There it is.
Yes, sir.
Can I see all? Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, welcome. Anybody else have problem? You can ask for it. I'll show you. Or even if you want, I'll upload the videos as usually I used to do that in the previous session of online session. I'll upload it. You can watch that. Yeah, सबका.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay then. So it is 5:35, and next day we will continue with our next chapter, that is tables and forms in HTML. So chapter 9, I'll create a homework for question number 2 today. You have to submit it online, and after sharing answers in your fair copy, you have to submit it before Saturday in school office. Anytime you can go and submit the copies there. Okay? I'll check and you can get it back on next Monday. All done? Anybody have any doubt? Anybody have any doubt regarding your homework and others?
No, sir.
Sir, answer the following number 2 we will do by our own, no?
Yes. You have to do your own.
Okay,
One
sir.
question only I had left to do it yourself. That I think all of you can do. Yeah, application based you need not to write in the fair copy also. I'll not create homework for that. Application based question you need not to write in the fair copy too. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yes. So, today we are going to end the class, and please, if anyone is unable to join the class, Ask him to apply with a profile photo. Without photo, we are not accepting anyone. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.